welcome back to my channel. Today I have Charisma in our matching shirts. Today we are going to do a mukbang. How do you say it?
Mukbang.
Mukbang.
I'm gonna do my lunch.
Seafood. We made ours. We made potatoes, shrimp, sausage, corn, and crab legs. She's excited.
So nervous because I never had it before. I mean, I had shrimp and corn.
But I've never had
Stuff.
shrimp.
I never had crab legs.
Okay, where do you want to start?
I don't know.
Okay, let's do a potato.
Maybe I should get a fork. You want a fork? No? No fork?
Baby B, it's so good.
Okay. So. I'm so nervous.
Oh my gosh. It's so good. Mind you, we made all this, okay? It took us like an hour. But guess what? We made it. Okay, I'm gonna eat a piece of sausage.
That sauce is so good.
Okay. You wanna try it? Well, you've already had shrimp.
It's good. It's good.
You ate some already?
Mm-hmm. Oh wow. That's really good. Oh my god.
I'm so nervous to eat this. Should I just eat it?
Yeah.
Okay, Mom.
You really don't want any corn?
I might try it for the video.
It's really juicy and good.
It tastes like chicken.
See?
Shrimp doesn't taste like chicken.
Yes, this shrimp do. It might be the
I
seasoning.
can't open my mouth that wide. Because of my wires poking my cheek.
Mama, quit laughing. This is so good. Oh no. You know when you like, I look like a hog? That's right now. It's everywhere.
I know.
Okay. You ready to try crab? Okay. So, dang.
Sorry.
So let's both try our pieces with the claw.
Yeah. 1 second.
Okay, look at me.
How'd you get it open already? Wait. Okay. Is that this one?
Yeah.
Do
Your
I just
shrimpy shrimp
break
fell.
it off like that?
Yeah.
Can I eat this
Yeah.
right now?
Yeah, girl. I'm gonna put some in there. We'll put some over here. Okay. It smells so good.
I'm gonna just do what I see people do.
Okay.
She never had crab. Yeah.
Oh. Mmm. Open it like this.
Yeah. Break its little joints.
I don't think I know how to do this. Help!
Alright, got you. Girl.
Oh.
Ooh, look at that.
I'm just eating it, so I don't even know what I'm doing.
Dig the meat out with that digger.
Oh. Yeah, that's good. Oh, you crack it open like this. I see the crack.
Push it. Oh. You're gonna hurt yourself. Thank you.
Excuse me.
Where was that? Ouch.
Slippery.
I know.
What? How did you?
You got it.
Turn it? What? Oh.
Yeah. Try it the other way.
What?
Like this. Turn it. Like that. Girl.
Whatever. I'll get it somehow.
Look.
It
There,
won't
look.
open.
Look, I got mine.
No, it's stuck. This is so.
You okay?
Okay, maybe if I just. Now I just need to open the rest.
Alright.
Got it. Got it, got it, got it. Ow, ow, ow.
Oh, I love lemon juice. There. Come on, juices.
Does this have stuff inside of it too? There's no way to get this open. No possible way.
Get them little crackers. We are terrible at this. I don't care about breaking no nail. Give me the meat!
Get it open.
Get it open.
I just want to eat.
Yes. Meat.
Why is this so hard? Okay. This is what it's come to.
Christmas, you already got the meat out of this. Over here fighting.
Wow. That was only one? We have a lot more crack-a-lacking to go.
Look, she's doing a split. Woohoo! That's you in the air.
This is just a mess.
But it's a mess worth making. You're making a lot of noises over there. You okay?
Okay.
I'm doing this so much better than you.
Not allergic to shellfish, are you? Cute shrimp.
by the time you open it, it's cold.
I know, but it's fine. Just lost some of it.
Got crab?
I'm eating a crab right now. What the? Yeah, I just realized what I was eating. Is there stuff in this? Yes, I see it. Okay.
Right?
It's a crab.
Oh my god, look at her. I can pierce your nose with that.
Okay. Ow. That actually hurt.
Come out!
What's this? Can I eat this?
Ew, what's that?
Seaweed. Poop? Crab poop? It's fine, I won't eat it. But can I eat this?
That's not even part of the butt.
Oh.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Watch, watch. It's gonna lose all its color. Like, you can see it come out.
I'm gonna try.
Look, it's all gone. Here, you have it.
Ooh, did you hear that?
Yeah. It's. Look at your elbow. What?
Yes, I got quite the hang of this. This has resulted into a big mess.
Ooh.
Now I understand why people are so messy when they eat this.
Charisma, let's hear a little bit about yourself.
Well, I'm Charisma. I'm a little retarded, kind of slow.
Tell them how tall you are, Charisma.
Oh, I'm about 4'10" and a half. You know, sometimes I'm 4'11", sometimes I'm not. Where'd this come from?
I gave it to you.
Really?
Yeah.
That's so nice.
I was gonna say, you better not put that seed in your mouth.
Oh, it's this lemon.
Yeah. No, it kind of got hard for me to eat once it got cold.
Yeah.
Because I realized, like, I could be eating, like, a live crab. So, I kind of had to chill out. Because, like, that's kind of gross.
I don't care. I'm so full, but
You're not going to eat that. Look at your arm. Look at your arm. Show my camera. Show my
this is so messy.
You're not going to eat your other corn?
I can't.
Okay. Ooh. Are you going to eat it?
Yeah. So I shouldn't have done that.
I think we're done. We got just shells. How do you rate this?
My rating for this food. Hold on.
What's your
Okay,
rating?
I gave it about a 9.
Why only a 9?
I don't know. I feel like a 10 would just be, oh my god, best food ever, and my best food ever is buffalo wings, and I can't replace them, so they have to be a 9.
I'm gonna give this a 9 as well, because by the time we were able to open the crab, it was
It's
cold.
cold, yeah, it's freezing right now.
So it was kind of gross. So it's like,
I mean, it's still good.
I mean, it's good, but it's like, okay. I had fun making it. It was easy to make. It was just a lot of steps. We just made it up. We didn't like look up a recipe or anything like that. So we just put it together.
Not from Exotic Run. Homemade.
Exotic on the run.
Yes.
But yeah. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And we'll catch you another time.